I lost my job, so my girlfriend gave me her Toyota Camry to be using as both small till I get back on my feet. She was from a bit privileged home, so things were okay for her. She had money and she was making sure my life was comfortable, Charlie. Even with the cash she gave me to be managing, she still gave me money weekly and all those stuff, so I was feeling big. I didn't even feel the heat of being jobless. This girl, they feel me pass. She expects that I'll go to work. Sometimes she comes to spend the whole day at my place because she claims she likes the serenity and peace she feels when she's in the room with no one around. She really visits randomly. And because I didn't want to lose her, I didn't used to bring any girl to the house. I got a lot of girls because I mostly don't act like a bull driver. Instead, I was using the car to womanize anyhow. I always had sex with my girls in the car. I just drive to somewhere cool and give it to them there. One day, I decided that I was going to bring one of the girls home. So I called my girlfriend to find out if she was in the house. And she said she was, but she left about an hour ago. She asked if there was a problem, and I said there's not. I lied that I wanted to buy dinner for two, and she said I shouldn't worry, that she was gone. So if anything, we should schedule it for the next day. I thanked my God and went to pick up the girl, and we headed home. We got to the house. I gave the girl some more to drink, and then we started making love. I was in the middle of the knacking when I felt the presence of someone in the room. I turned to look, and to my surprise, my beautiful girlfriend was standing there. All she said was, "Are you cool?" and she left. I locked the door, but I didn't leave the key inside. So she was able to open it with her spare key, and I didn't even hear anything. I called her severally, but her phone was off. I spent the whole night planning what to do. By 6 a.m. the next day, she was in my house with two of her elderly brothers. They took the car, my television, the fridge, and the things she had bought inside the room. When they left, my room was empty. That was when I even realized that I hadn't lived any life at all. The room was close to empty. Everything in the room she bought, so she took it all away. I tried to beg her, but she sent her brothers to come and warn me, so I stopped. Till today, I still regret it. My life has been a bit miserable ever since. Where I live now is even like a cottage. I have nothing to call my own. My life is miserable for real. I regret it every day. I had a full DB, Charlie, but 2 seconds of pleasure made it all go away. It is what it is. What do you think about this story? Thank you for watching.